I'm gonna show you how to add watermarks in PDF with Acrobat. So to get started, you have to open Acrobat first and then select your project that you wanted to watermark on. So from here, all you have to do is just go to edit, and then from there all you have to do is just scroll down and then look for watermark. So once you're there, you just have to click on watermark, and then a pop-up will show up where you can customize your watermark, and then from there you just have to input all the necessary information or details that you want. You can customize it the way you want. You can adjust the text size or the image. Also, you can text the or edit the location or the orientation of your account or of your watermark. So from here, just click on this, and then also you can change the opacity of this one by clicking on this or dragging it wherever you want. Also, you can adjust the location of the watermark. It's either behind the text or above the text that you want. And then once you're done with that, all you have to do is just press OK, and also you can apply it onto multiple files if you wanted to. So from there, you just have to click on OK, and then the watermark will just load up in your file. You just wait for this one, and then once you're done with that, it will automatically appear there. So that's it. That's how to add watermark in PDF files using Acrobat.